In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Lovable with a payment gateway. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your payment system to enhance your project's capabilities. Start by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the Lovable homepage, which features a welcoming interface and various options for users. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Let's Build Something, code 003. This button is typically found prominently on the homepage. After clicking this, you will be directed to a new interface that allows you to begin creating your project. After that, select the option labeled All Projects. This can be found in the navigation menu. Once you click on it, a list of your existing projects will appear, allowing you to choose the one you want to work on. Now choose a specific project from the list. This action will take you to the project dashboard. Verify that you have selected the correct project by checking the project name displayed at the top of the screen. Once you're on the project dashboard, look for the option labeled Chat AA and click on it. This will redirect you to a section where you can input commands related to your project. In the input field, type Integrate with Payment Gateway. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of connecting your payment system. After typing, ensure that you have entered the command correctly before proceeding. Click on the Enter key to submit your command. Once you do this, the system will process your request, and you should see a confirmation message or loading indicator that signifies the command is being executed. Following this, labeled Thinking. This will indicate to the system that it is working on your integration request. You may see a progress indicator, which means the integration process is underway. Next, locate and click on the link that says Reviewing Integration Approaches for Payment Gateway. This will provide you with various methods to connect your payment gateway. Ensure that the information displayed is related to payment gateways. After reviewing, click on the same link again, which should still indicate Reviewing Integration Approaches for Payment Gateway. This step ensures that you have a clear understanding of the integration options available. Now, click on the option stating, I'll enable the Stripe integration so we can set up payments. This action is vital as it guides you through the steps to connect your Stripe account, facilitating payment processing. Then click on the Enable Stripe button. This will activate the integration process with Stripe. Be patient, as the system may take a moment to confirm the activation. You will now be prompted to enter your Stripe restricted key. Click on the link that says, please enter your Stripe restricted key. This key is essential for authenticating your payment gateway connection. Make sure you have this information readily available. Once you've entered your Stripe restricted key, check for any confirmation messages that indicate the key has been accepted. It is crucial to ensure that this step is completed successfully to finalize the integration process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.